everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, today's video about new makeup release by TooFaced. Mini Born This Way confection-inspired eyeshadow palette. This price is $29. Color, Warm Ember Nudes. A mini eyeshadow palette with 6 highly pigmented modern nudes. Inspired by the beautiful nuances of real skin tones. Inspired by the iconic Born This Way Natural Nudes eyeshadow palette. This neutral mini palette is perfectly curated to make it easy to create looks ranging from natural to dramatic. Color, Cold Smolder Nudes. Easy to blend formula offers a creamy, silky texture, and highly pigmented shadows offer one swipe payoff. Prom Eyelids with Shadow Insurance Eyeshadow Primer. Sold separately and blend out using a clean fingertip or a flat eyeshadow brush. Define crease with a matte shade using a fluffy blending brush. Place brush tip in the crease starting from outer corner and lightly buffing to the inner corner. In a rainbow motion layer for color intensity. Apply your choice of shade onto the eyelid. Using a flat eyeshadow brush for shimmer shades. Apply using a clean fingertip and a tapping motion to intensify shimmer. If you like today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. Also, thank you for watching. Bye.